problem is the future, but it's also now. So, I mean, I think when we think about ecological transition, there's really two distinct issues. The first one is sustainability, and that's a long-term issue. We're depleting resources. We need to stop depleting resources.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to transition away from resources which are not renewable, and that's a long-term issue. And then we have a short-term issue, which is global warming.
Yeah.
And we need to stop emitting CO2. We need to get to net zero. And those are not necessarily the same things. People tend to associate the two, but they're not. I mean, since we had that discussion in the past, one of the elements, for instance, which is incompatible with one but not with the other, is nuclear fission, especially.
Yeah.
Fusion is another thing, but nuclear fission is not sustainable in the long run. You're depleting, a finite asset, resources, and you're creating wastes, which we'll need to manage for 100,000 years is the half-life of plutonium. So we'll need to manage it for longer than man's been around. I mean, so people get a sense of perspective. So it's not sustainable, but it maybe can help in the short term with the CO2 crisis. I mean, we're like a plane that's going down. We need to gather speed to get lift to try to steer back up before we crash into the ground.
And we need to avoid that.
We need to avoid that. We need to avoid crashing into the ground. And maybe nuclear can be part of the lift that helps us, not crash, reduce our CO2 emission, and then we'll need to move on eventually. The issue with nuclear is that they're extremely long development cycles.
Yeah.
So we don't know. I mean, I wouldn't want to put all my bets on nuclear. I wouldn't want to eliminate nuclear. I don't think we should focus on nuclear. I think nuclear is a big boys game, and we're a venture capital firm. It's not for us.
Yeah.
I'm not fundamentally against nuclear. It's just not a sustainable, except for fusion. But again, fusion can be decades or hundreds of years away. We have no clue. So it's not going to be part of getting the lift and getting to net zero. It may be part of sustainability 100, 200 years from now, but we'll be dead. But it's not going to help in the short term. So in the short term, nuclear can help. It's not our game. What we really need to focus on is, other ways of having a sustainable electricity.